So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a stock to your watch list here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go into the bottom left of your screen to where it says watch list right here. Now once you open up watches, as you can tell, I have Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, added. Now if you want to add a stock to your watch list, the simplest way is to go to add a symbol right here. You can search up whatever stock that you're looking for. So if you wanted to search up Apple right here, ticker symbol AAPL, you can go ahead and press the heart with the plus icon right there, and that'll add it. Another way you can also do it as well is to press cancel, go to markets right here, select a market of your choice. Let's go to US right here. And you can find a bunch of different stocks right here, dividend stocks, whatever the case may be, here on your screen in front of you. So if you wanted to add this stock right here, for example, go to the top right, press on that, and now you can add it to your watch list. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add a stock to your watch list on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.